Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome to your ultimate beginner's guide to buying cryptocurrency. So, you've decided to dive into the world of cryptocurrency, but you're not quite sure where to start? Maybe all the jargon and technicalities seem overwhelming? No worries, I've got you covered. By the end of this guide, you'll feel confident and ready to make your first crypto purchase. Today, I'll walk you through the easy steps to buy your first cryptocurrency. So, grab a pen and paper or just sit back and relax. Step 1. Choose a reputable exchange. First things first, you need to pick a platform where you can buy, sell, and store your crypto. This is crucial because the right exchange can make your experience smooth and secure. Popular options include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. These platforms are well known for their user-friendly interfaces and robust security features. Make sure to do some research and read reviews to find the one that suits you best. Look for factors like transaction fees, security measures, and customer support. Step 2. Create an account. Once you've chosen an exchange, head over to their website and sign up. This usually involves providing your email address and creating a strong password. You'll need to provide some personal information and verify your identity. This step is essential for complying with regulations and ensuring the security of your account. Don't worry, this is standard procedure to keep your account secure. It might take a little time, but it's worth it for the added protection. Step 3. Secure your account. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, to add an extra layer of security. This means that even if someone gets hold of your password, they won't be able to access your account without the second factor. This means you'll need to enter a code from your phone in addition to your password when logging in. It's a small step that makes a big difference. Step 4. Deposit funds. Now that your account is set up, it's time to deposit some funds. This is the money you'll use to buy your cryptocurrency. You can usually do this via bank transfer, credit card, or even PayPal on some exchanges. Each method has its own fees and processing times, so choose what works best for you. Be mindful of these fees as they can add up over time. Step 5. Buy your crypto. With funds in your account, you're ready to buy your first cryptocurrency. This is the exciting part. Navigate to the trading section of your exchange and choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Bitcoin and Ethereum are great starting points. They are the most well-known and widely accepted cryptocurrencies. Enter the amount you want to purchase and confirm the transaction. Double-check all the details before hitting that confirm button. Step 6. Store your crypto safely. After buying your crypto, you can store it on the exchange, but for better security, consider transferring it to a personal wallet. This reduces the risk of your assets being hacked. Hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor are top-notch for keeping your assets safe from hackers. They store your private keys offline, making them much harder to steal. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you're well on your way to becoming a cryptocurrency owner. Remember, always stay informed and keep your investments secure. The crypto world is constantly evolving, so staying updated is key. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more crypto tips and tricks. Your journey into the world of cryptocurrency is just beginning. Catch you next time, and happy trading. Stay safe and enjoy your crypto journey.